Good afternoon, children. Today we have to do exercise 7.2, and in this first question is draw number lines and locate the points on them. So these are the points given to you. First thing which you have to keep in mind is that all the fractions should be like fractions. Like fractions are those which have the same denominator. Here this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. These are like, but this is not like. So we have to convert this fraction into like. 1 by 2 is the fraction, and you have to check where 4 comes in the table of 2. It comes at 2. We'll multiply the numerator as well as denominator by 2 to convert this fraction into like. Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So now 2 by 4 is the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. So we can locate 1 by 2 as 2 by 4 in the on the number line. So now the fractions become 2 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. So this is the number line. As you can see, all these three fractions, these are proper. Proper fractions are always less than 1. So proper fractions are less than 1. So these three fractions will lie between 0 and 1, and this itself is becoming 1. 4 by 4 is 1 whole. So it represents 1, 0 and 1. And we have to make 4 divisions between 0 and 1. As in the denominator we have 4. So we will divide 0 and 1 into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now this is 0 and this marking is 1, and we can write 1 as 4 by 4. And now how to mark these three markings? Let's see. This is 1 by 4, this is 2 by 4, and this is 3 by 4, and this is 4 by 4. Now you have to represent all these fractions on this number line. So here it is 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4, locate it. This is 3 by 4, locate here. And this is 4 by 4. So in this way, we will locate our fractions on the number line. Now B part. It is 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 7 by 8. First step which you have to see, that is all the fractions should be like. As all the fractions are like, but these fractions again are proper, that is less than 1. So all will lie between 0 and 1. Now how many partitions we have to do between 0 and 1? That is 8, because in the denominator we have 8. So this is 1 by 8, 2 by 8. 1 you can represent it like 8 by 8. 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8 and 8 by 8. Now we have to locate these points. 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is here located. 2 by 8 here. 3 by 8. Then 7 by 8. In the C part, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5, 4 by 5. Now again these fractions are like. There is no problem to locate on the number line. No need to convert any fraction into like fraction, because all are like. But these three fractions are proper, as here numerator is less than denominator, but this fraction is improper, and that we have to locate beyond 1, right? So these three fractions will lie between 0 and 1, and 8 by 5, which is improper fraction, that is greater than 1, that will lie somewhere after 1. And how many partitions we have to do between 0 and 1? We will do 5 partitions, because in the denominator we have 5. So 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. And locate all these fractions here between 0 and 1. These three, 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. These points I have located. Now for 8 by 5, I have to go beyond 1. So I will mark here 6 by 5, 7 by 5 and 8 by 5. And I will mark 8 by 5 here. That is 8 by 5. That's all. Now question number 2. Express the following fractions as mixed fractions. Now this is a fraction given to you. This is improper fraction. You have to convert it into mixed fraction. Divide 20 by 3. 3 6 are 18. Subtract these two numbers, will get 2. Now this question which you will get, that will act as a whole part for the mixed fraction, and this 2 will become numerator for proper fraction, and this is denominator for the proper fraction. So we can write it like this: 6 2 by 3, where 6 is the whole part and 2 is the numerator, that is remainder, and divisor is the denominator. B part. Divide 11 by 5. 5 2s are 10. Subtract these two numbers, will get 1, and the mixed fraction will become 2, that is the whole part, 1 by 5. Okay. 17 by 7. So 7 2s are 14. Subtract these two numbers, you will get 3, and the mixed fraction, how you will write? 2 3 by 7. 2 is a quotient and it is the whole part, and 3 is remainder. It will act as numerator for the proper fraction, and this divisor, it will act as the denominator of the proper fraction, that is 2 3 by 7. D part. Divide 28 by 5. 5 5s are 25. You will get 3 as a remainder. So this is whole part. This will write in the center, in the middle. 5 3 by 5. You have to write this like this. First you will write this, then this, and then divisor, that is denominator. 19 by 6. 6 3s are 9. 6 3s are 18. Subtract, you will get 1, and the mixed fraction for this is 3 1 by 6. 35 by 9. 9 3s are 27. On subtracting, you will get 8. The mixed fraction for this improper fraction is 3 8 by 9. Now question number 3, express as improper fraction. Now this mixed fraction is given to you. You have to convert this fraction into improper one. So first, what you will do, you will multiply these two numbers. 4 7s are 28. Now in 28, you will add this 3. 28 plus 3 is 31. So 31 upon 4. Where 4, from where we'll get 4? As here the denominator is 4. In the answer, after conversion, we'll write in the denominator 4. B part. 5 6 by 7. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 6, 41. 41 upon 7 is the improper fraction for this mixed fraction. 2 5 by 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 by 6. 10 3 by 5. 5 10s are 50. 50 plus 3 is 53 upon 5. 9 3 by 7. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 3 is 66 upon 7. 8 4 by 9. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 4 is 76. 76 by 9 is the improper fraction for the mixed fraction. Thank you and have a nice day. Complete exercise 7.2 in your notebooks.